your same musical life. 22nd of December, Zimbabwe's Unity Day. Unity over everything. Zimbabwe, we are one thing. We come from different places, different stories, different names, but the soul beneath our feet knows every drop of pain. From the echoes of the struggle to the silence after war, fathers chose the path of peace, opened every broken door. Makakatano akapera, takasarudza rugare. Nasi tinomira tese, tirivana vevurimwe.
No more lines between us, no more blood on the ground. What was lost we can rebuild when unity is found.
Roparimwe, moyo mumwe, one heart, one sound. From the unity accord, we standing on common ground. Roparimwe, moyo mumwe, hand in hand we rise.
One Zimbabwe, one future under African skies.
Salute to comradeship and patriotism from founding fathers who laid their differences down. They chose tomorrow over pride, so peace could wear the crown. Today we sing the same song, from Matobo to Mashonaland. This love is deeper than wrong.
Sithi sizwe sinye, singabantu bomhlaba munye. Unity isifungo sethu, ilizwe lethu liyaqhubeka.
We remember not to hate, but to heal and to forgive. The freedom that we celebrate is the unity we live.
Roparimwe, moyo mumwe, one heart, one sound. From the unity accord, we're standing on common ground. Roparimwe, moyo mumwe, hand in hand we rise.
One Zimbabwe, one future under African sky.
One love, one land, no tribe, no line. We move together, Zimbabwe time. Rugare naga yedu, unity ndio Simba. All past behind us, the future's brighter. Royal, royal. Roparimwe, moyo mumwe, feel the rhythm of the land. Honor the fathers, the comrades, the patriots, heroes still walking hand in hand. Roparimwe, moyo mumwe, let the healing league begin. One Zimbabwe, forever we rise as one. Unity is not a day, it's a promise we keep. Zimbabwe, big falls to Makomoyo, Zambezi to Limpopo, we are one. Forward with unity.